Welcome to MA. Let us make maths easier. Today's class here introduction exercise 1.3. Okay, here first composition of functions. Here we have studied about set A and set B two functions. Here compositions of functions का मतलब here more than two functions. For example, I am taking set A. Okay, set B, set C. Here first set A, here x, some elements x. Okay, now here A to B, here f. Okay, therefore here it is f of x. Okay, f of x. Okay, next from B to C, here g. Okay, therefore g of f of x. Okay, therefore finally here A to C, here second term. Okay, g, therefore that should be comes first. Okay, g of f. Okay, gof. Here whenever the second terms comes here, that is you have to take first. Okay, here g, therefore gof. If I have f, I will take fog. Okay, in next term we will see. Okay, here f such that a related to b. Okay, a to b. Again g, here b related to c. Therefore finally gof g of f such that here a related to c. Okay, here this is my domain. Okay, this is my codomain. Okay, for two sets we have seen this is domain and this is my codomain. Okay, now here three terms, three sets are there. Therefore here next only two we can take. Therefore here I am taking now B has domain and C has codomain. Okay, I hope you all understood. Here first in set A and set B, domain and codomain. Okay, next we have totally now three terms, so that here next I am taking B has domain and C has codomain. Okay, therefore finally gof, here this is my domain and this is my codomain. Okay, so that only we are getting A related to C. Okay, okay, next A set, here I am taking again x. Okay, now set B, here next set C. Now here A. Okay, in set A x is related to, now here it is g. Okay, therefore g of x. Okay, next B related to C, here it is now f. Okay, therefore f of g of x. Okay, next here a related to c. I have already tell you a related to c का मतलब here you have to see the second term. Okay, f. Therefore here f o g, fog. Okay, the second term comes to first. Okay, f o g, fog. Okay, now here g. Okay, g such that a related to b. Okay, next f such that b related to c. Therefore here it is fog. For fog a related to c. Okay, here this is my domain. Okay, this is my codomain. Okay, at a time we can compare only two sets. Okay, then after I am taking, this is my b has my domain, then c is codomain. Okay, finally for fog we are a to c. Therefore this is my domain, this is c is my codomain. Okay, this is the composition of functions. Okay, I hope you all understood the introduction. Okay, this is composition of function. Next, invertible functions. Invertible functions, here if you satisfy, if a 1 function, okay, and on to function, here 1 का मतलब here it is a injective. Okay, on to का मतलब here surjective. If you satisfy both injective and surjective, you will get bijective. Okay, if it is satisfy the bijective conditions, therefore here it is invertible function. Okay, if it satisfies both 1 and on to function, then it is invertible. Okay, okay, let us see some example. Given f of x equal to 4x plus 3. Okay, here we can do in two methods. I am doing in first method m1. Okay, here for 1 condition, 1 function, f of x1 should be equal to f of x2. Therefore here in the place of x you should apply the x1. Okay, now 4x1 plus 3. Okay, next in the place of x you should substitute x2. Therefore 4x2 plus 3. Now you have to cancel the same terms. Okay, here also next 4x1 equal to 4x2. Therefore the 4 cancel because it is the same terms. Next x1 equal to x2. Here x1 equal to x2. Therefore here it is 1 function. Okay. Next for on to, checking whether the given function is onto function or not, you have to take given function f of x equal to y. You should take f of x equal to y. Okay, therefore y equal to 4x plus 3. Here you have to take x in LHS. Remainder you should be moved to right hand side. Okay, therefore here 4x y plus 3 come to this side minus 3. Therefore finally I need only x. X here 4 is multiple, come to this side, here y minus 3 divided by 4. Okay, here multiple come to this side, here it is division. Therefore this is my x. You have to take this x and substitute here. F of y minus 3 divided by 4. Therefore see, f of x equal to 4x plus 3. In the place of x, here it is x. Therefore this is my x now. Therefore 4 into y minus 3 divided by 4 plus 3. Here 4 divided by 4 cancel each other. Therefore remainder y minus 3 plus 3. Here plus 3 minus 3 cancel. Remainder y. This y only we have taken, that f of x equal to y. Therefore here it is satisfying onto function. Okay, here if it is satisfy both 1 1 and onto function, here now it is invertible. Okay, invertible you have find successfully, then here you have to find the inverse. Okay, inverse is nothing but, here you have taken x in terms of x. This is my inverse function. Okay, therefore here remove the x and put g of y. G of y equal to y minus 3 divided by 4. 3 divided by 4. Here it is my inverse function. Okay, I hope it is clear. Okay, now method 2. Here in the method 2, function such that a related to b. Okay, g, here b related to c. Therefore for finding GOF, here GOF of x equal to, you get identity x. Okay, that is nothing but I into x. Therefore GOF of x equal to x. Okay, next fog of y equal to I into y. Okay, identity. If you multiple identity into y, you will get identity y. Okay, therefore fog y equal to, you will get y. Therefore if it is get x and y, therefore here it is satisfy the invertible function. Okay, see here the same term f of x equal to, I am taking 4x plus 3. Okay, now here f of x is there, we need g of x. Therefore again for g of x you have to do like this, f of x equal to y 4x plus 3. Here x equal to y minus 3 divided by 4. Therefore g of y equal to y minus 3 divided by 4. Okay, this is my g of y, this is my f of x. Okay, therefore I am going to take GOF. Okay, GOF f of x. Here if you take the knot here, you will put open bracket and one close bracket. Okay, therefore here g in the place of f of x, here 4x plus 3. Okay, next here g of y in the place of y, here it is y, therefore this is my y now. Okay, substitute here 4x plus 3 minus 3 divided by 4. Okay, this is my y. I am substituting in the place of y, therefore 4x plus 3, here see this minus this 3. Okay, divided by 4. Okay, now plus 3 minus 3 cancel each other, therefore 4x divided by 4, here also cancel, therefore GOF of x equal to x, here it is coming, therefore it is invertible, but you have to check the fog also. Okay, next fog of y equal to, removing that knot, put open bracket and closed bracket. Okay, now f of g of y, here g of y is nothing but y minus 3 divided by 4. Okay, in the place of f of x, here it is x, therefore now here this is my x, here 4 into y minus 3 divided by 4 plus 3. Okay, here numerator and denominator same term 4, therefore cancel each other. Finally y minus 3 here plus 3, therefore minus 3 plus 3 cancel. Fog of y equal to y. Okay, now GOF and fog are satisfied. Okay, therefore here it is invertible function. Okay, now the invertible function, here you should find the inverse. Here inverse is nothing but g of y. Okay, this is my inverse. Okay, I hope you all understood my introduction video. Okay, if you like the video, do subscribe to our channel. Dhanyavad. Thank you.